have a lemonade recipe I'd like to share with you. I have 8 lemons that I received from my friend who has a lemon tree, and it's getting hot out there. It's a great time of year to make lemonade and to enjoy it. It's cool and refreshing. So this is a simple recipe. You're going to need 8 to 10 lemons, 5 cups of water, some honey, some sugar, and some ice. So let's begin. So the first thing we want to do is we want to cut the lemons and then squeeze the lemon juice out of them, okay? I am going to begin. I'm going to cut this lemon in half and squeeze, just to give you an example, this lemon. You're pushing, you're turning, and then all the seeds get trapped here, right here, and we can use the lemon juice. So I would do this, continue to do this with all 8 lemons. I would pour the lemon juice in here. And I'm going to do the other half of this lemon, just to keep showing you as an example. More seeds are getting trapped. I'm pouring the lemon juice in here. Okay. And then also you're going to use the zest of 2 lemons. The zest is, here is a zester. The zest is the skin of the lemon pulled with this little tool so that it comes out looking like fine little pieces of spaghetti. Okay, here we go. So we're taking the zest. We're also putting that in. So that would be the zest of 2 of the 8 lemons. You see that? So it comes out into these fine little pieces. Next, we would take 3 cups of water. So you're going to have 3 cups of water. So here we have a measuring cup, and I'm going to pour 3 cups of water, like so. There is 3. Pouring it into a large glass pitcher here. All right, and then we are also going to be using honey and sugar to create a kind of syrup to put in. So I'm going to take 1 cup of sugar. For a larger pitcher, you could use 2 cups, or I would say 1.5 cups of sugar and maybe 1/2 cup of honey to sweeten it, and then 2 cups of water. So right now I'm going to take 2 cups of water to create our syrup and put it in, and then also 1.5 cups of sugar and 1/2 cup of honey. 1.5 cups. Here's another smaller measuring cup. And you can do this at home with your families, learning how to look at numbers, and we've used a lot of measuring cups in our cooking class, so you know what these are. So we're putting this in with 1/2 cup of honey as well. Here's some honey. Getting 1/2 cup of honey. Putting it in. So that creates a syrup. And that will all go to the bottom of the pitcher. You're going to want to really stir that up. So in total, you would be using 3 cups of cold water, and then for the syrup, 2 more cups of water, cold water, plus the sugar and honey. So I'm putting the remainder of the water in. And now I'm going to stir it all up. So I'm stirring, stirring, stirring. And I'm going to add some ice to make it nice and cool. And also I'm going to add a lovely lemon slice that you can put on your cup when you are enjoying the lemon. Put some fresh lemons or just in the pitcher as well to give it more flavor. And you can, if you happen to have mint at home, you can also add mint. It will add to the flavor and be delicious. So here we have a cool, refreshing pitcher of homemade lemonade. And maybe you have some neighbors that have lemons they can share with you, or of course you can buy them at the store. But this is the time of year a lot of neighbors have lemons growing. Maybe you even have a lemon tree in your yard. All right, so I hope you try that at home and keep cool during these hot days. All right, bye Delfines.